Thanks for joining us today with a quick video of this Pro Aqua WSP16 is the part number. It is a travel series portable water softener. We're gonna go ahead and go through the steps to get this back flush. So let's go ahead and open up the owner's manual, go through the pre-flush system, get to the setup use. It's showing here that regeneration instructions. This is sold separately, so when we get there we'll go ahead and do another video, and I hope you guys like this. If you guys are enjoying it, please hit the like. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you could get notified when we drop another video. All right, now, so this is a 16,000 grain capacity. So this first step will be connecting your incoming water hose to the out port of the tank head. Use the supply female fitting if needed. Figure 1, you got your supply water hose that they have here. We're gonna go ahead and connect the female adapter to the male hose and to the male outer, not inner, outer, so you can do the pre-flush. So let's go ahead and do that. Put this fitting in. So this is the inside, the inner. We're looking for the outer. Just make sure this is tight. So we're connecting to the outer. We get our hose that they gave us. We're hooking it up to the outer. Connect it to our spigot, 1/2-inch spigot. We're ready to back flush, but we're gonna go ahead and connect a hose that I have. We're back with this hose that I will be connecting to the inner, so the water will be back flushing. It's coming in through the out and coming out through the in. As you can see, our water source is coming in through the out, and it will be coming out through the in. That's what it says here. We have water supply, adapter, connected to the out. And go ahead and move to figure number 3. We have our connection, and we have our in hose connected because it will throw the water out. I want to stress this out. You want to connect your water supply to the out. So we have connected an additional garden hose to the in port. Remember, in port. Third figure, will be turning on the water for 5 minutes until the water flows clear. During the first use wash, you might see some color in your water. This is normal as the resin is new and will release particles on the initial first flush. Let's go ahead and do step number 3. We will turn on the water for 5 minutes. Also, I want to point out that I did unzip the sleeve just because I want to see if it leaks water. I want to make sure if it does. I want to tighten this up. Go ahead and stay tuned, and thank you for watching this 3MAutoSpa. Hope you're having a great Sunday. Don't forget to hit the like if you are enjoying these type of videos. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell notification so you could be notified when we drop another video. Thank you. It does say turn the water on and flush the unit for 5 minutes. We're gonna put the timer for 5 minutes. 5-minute timer.
5 minutes, counting down.
So that's our 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and undo this and then get it ready for installation. Stay tuned. All right, so we're here back. As you saw, the 1, 2, 3, and 4 step. Now we're on a 4th step. We have completed. We have disconnected the water source, and now we are ready for our DI water. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hit the like if you have. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell notification. See you on the next one.